Hello, Mary. My name is Ryan. I'm a friend of Brian's and his business partner. I just wanted to take a few minutes and look over your website and maybe give you some pointers for improvement, just things that I notice. Um, so, for starters, I'm on your site, and good first picture. I like the menu. I see home, about, testimonials, and contact. I don't see any services or programs that you offer, or so I don't know exactly what you do. So far, let's take a look at your homepage and why people would want to use you, who you are, what you do. So if you take this what you do section and you can expand on that or extrapolate out specific services or programs that you do offer and add specific pages to your website around those services, might help increase your visibility of the website overall. And let's see, maybe break up all the words with, maybe move that video up a little higher and the words down to kind of, you know, share the page, because you got a lot of white space over on this side. So you maybe expand it out. And I did do a count of your website words. On your homepage, you've got about 500, a little bit less, and a good amount for your homepage is anywhere between 1,000 and 1,250 words. Just because this is your main opportunity to tell Google. Google has several programs that scour the entire internet, and they read every word on every web page to better identify the ranking. You know, when somebody types in a search result or search, then the listing that gets ranked, the first page, second page, third page, and so on. If you have more keywords that are relevant, then it'll help push you to the first page. Some other factors that help with that are getting links from other websites. They're called backlinks. So if you look up here on this little bar here, this is your backlinks. You don't have any. And you've got a couple of subdomain backlinks, which just, so you've got a couple of links from other sites that link to you. So a good way to do that is go to forums, go to have relevant articles on your website talking about, specific, maybe relieving pain and this or that, different exercises you could do. If you just want to educate people on your website periodically with a blog, different ways to get people to link to your site. That also helps with the rankability. The images are good. I would add more words, add the service pages. I like the contact form on the first page. Let's look at, Brian gave me a website of another person that you know. So let's take a look at their site real quick compared to yours. Function first, I think this is the right site. So see, they have services on the front page. Their links, they have a couple hundred links. They broke their testimonials up to have a couple on the first page. It's kind of nice. And they offer a blog. Let's take a look at a service page. Right at the video at the top. That's nice. And there's quite a few. There's enough words on there to really get recognized. Each page, separate from your homepage, you still want to have 500 to 750 words on each page, because each page can rank separately, and you want more opportunities to get your website out in front of the audience that you're looking for, so you can help the most people, right? But all in all, it's a good start. You've done a lot more work than a lot of people do when they're running their own business. I know that's not the main focus of your business, but yes, there's definitely some things we can improve on. And if you'd like to talk further about it, feel free to get with Brian, and we can go from there. Thank you.